Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tired of manually processing data? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Baserow with OpenAI to automatically analyze, categorize, and clean your data. The key is using a free automation tool like Make.com or Zapier. You'll need accounts for Baserow, your automation tool, in OpenAI. First, create a new automation scenario. For the trigger, select Baserow and choose when a new record is added to your table. Now, for the AI magic, add an OpenAI step and choose an action like send a prompt. Here's where you customize. In the prompt, you can instruct ChatGPT to analyze the data from your Baserow record. For example, categorize this customer feedback field, or summarize this long text into 3 bullet points. Connect the fields so the AI receives the right information from Baserow. Finally, add another step to send the AI's response back to Baserow, creating a new field with the processed data. Test your automation and turn it on. Now, whenever new data enters your Baserow table, ChatGPT will automatically process it and send back the results, and that's it. You've just created an AI-powered data assistant that works 24/7 without any manual effort. If you build a cool data automation, let me know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.